Papaya is an incredibly delicious fruit that is enjoyed around the world for its pleasant and sweet taste. It can be quite refreshing in the warmer months and can be consumed raw or added to your favorite smoothie recipes to enhance their flavor and taste. Not only are papayas delicious, but they are also incredibly healthy and can provide numerous health benefits for those who consume them. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming papaya regularly. First, papaya is loaded with a number of important vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that can help to promote our overall health. In fact, some even believe that papaya is a nutrient powerhouse, not just for the number of nutrients it has, but for the high levels it contains. Specifically, papaya is high in vitamin C, folate, copper, pantothenic acid, potassium, and magnesium, to name a few. As well, papaya is a great source of dietary fiber and contains a unique enzyme called papain, which helps to promote proper digestion. Papaya can also help to promote proper digestion and is commonly consumed for this reason. As mentioned previously, it is loaded with an amazing digestive enzyme called papain. Papain helps to improve digestion by breaking down proteins while also cleansing the digestive tract and ensuring its proper functioning. As well, papaya can help to reduce certain digestive ailments such as constipation while also promoting regularity. Consuming papaya consistently can also have tremendous benefits for the overall health of our skin. The papain found in papaya can help to nourish the skin while also eliminating dead cells and naturally purifying the skin. Papayas also contain natural healing enzymes that can help to reduce irritated skin and other unwanted skin ailments. The high levels of vitamin C in this fruit can also help to eliminate free radicals in the body, while also helping to keep the skin looking young and radiant. If that wasn't enough, papaya can help to treat certain skin disorders such as dry skin, psoriasis, and eczema. They can also help to improve heart health and reduce the risk of developing heart-related ailments and disease. This is largely attributed to the amazing nutritional profile papayas contain. They are a great source of vitamin C, A, and E, which play an important role in reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. Also, papayas are an incredible source of pro-carotenoid phytonutrients. These nutrients help to prevent oxidation of cholesterol in the body, which can lead to cardiovascular complications and heart disease. If that wasn't enough, since papayas are an excellent source of fiber, they can help to reduce bad LDL cholesterol in the body. Lastly, consuming papayas regularly can help to improve and boost overall immunity. This can help our body to fight off certain infections and diseases, while also boosting energy levels. As some research has indicated, this is largely attributed to the high amounts of antioxidants found in papayas, as well as the incredible nutrients such as vitamin C and E. Also, papaya's anti-inflammatory properties can help to boost our overall immunity. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.